Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, another very eventful day, unfortunately capped off with a whole lot of uncertainty right now. And the uncertainty shows up with the final 30 minutes of the day with huge volume. And then you have this big old red candle. Now, did that totally destroy the day in the past couple of days? No, it didn't. So I don't want to come across like this 30 minutes has wrecked everything. My point is that it's now a very valid, it's a very rational thought to be saying, uh-oh, is this the start of something much bigger to the downside? What exactly is going on here? Ideally speaking, this is just a blip on the radar where the price decides it wants to go sideways and then, resume the current uptrend back upwards. But like I said, at this point, the chart looks so much different. I mean, before the final 30 minutes, that's what the chart was looking like. Very, very nice. Great upwards move. Sure, it just went sideways, but good, healthy consolidation. But like I said, unfortunately, then the last 30 minutes showed up. And like I said, has not destroyed the chart, but really changed the landscape. So the big dynamic here going forward is I'm actually going to get this update. This update is just based on a foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. So right around that 248-ish area is going to be a level where I get it. The price did technically close below there, but it's still well within the range of that. But the big question going forward is what's going on with 248? Is the price going to separate further and further to the downside? The further the price separates from that 248 mark, that is just more and more evidence that, yeah, this is the start of potentially a full-blown reversal. I'm not willing to call it a reversal right now. Of course, it's a pullback, but in my opinion, at least to call it a reversal just based on one candle, a little bit premature. But if the price gets down here to the 240 mark and, the price just continues to break down, at that point, that would be a severe red flag as far as, kind of the upwards momentum that is established right now. So that'll be the first very important dynamic is the price going to continue to separate to the downside of 248, or can the price quickly, snap back up and get above it? And then as far as levels of resistance, in case there is any sort of bigger recovery, that is where the very famous, the very followed 200 period moving average comes into play, which on my chart is denoted there by that pink line, currently valued right up around the 259 mark. But yeah, that last 30 minutes certainly throws a wrinkle into things, but we'll see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.